Say that was cruel, even by my standards. I am quite his prize. He's got a lot more than that.
Peter.
At last.
I told her strangers. I told her they're strangers. Daddy, what's that?
Nothing. I'm just taking videos of the pulsing Xenia.
What did you say?
I'm just taking videos of our Xenia. Look, oh, it's pulsing.